Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two innovative products designed for convenience and efficiency in small spaces. The Mihiki portable washing machine, with its 13L capacity, and the DFJKJUU portable washing machine, boasting a slightly larger 16L capacity, both offer unique features tailored for users on the go. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with capacity. The Mihiki portable washing machine has a 13L capacity, making it suitable for small loads of laundry. In contrast, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine offers a larger 16L capacity, allowing you to wash more items at once. This could be a significant advantage for users who need to do laundry more efficiently. Next, let's discuss the drying capabilities. The Mihiki model does not include a spin dry feature, relying instead on a drain function to remove excess water. On the other hand, the DFJKJUU model comes equipped with a removable spin dry basket, which can significantly speed up the drying process for your clothes, making it a more convenient option for users who want to quickly get their laundry done. Finally, let's look at the design and portability of both machines. Both the Mihiki and DFJKJUU portable washing machines feature a foldable design, making them easy to store and transport. They are perfect for small apartments, dorms, and travel. However, the Mihiki has slightly larger folded dimensions, which may affect its portability in tight spaces. Overall, both machines are designed with convenience in mind. In conclusion, both the Mihiki and DFJKJUU portable washing machines offer practical solutions for washing small loads of laundry in compact spaces. The DFJKJUU has a slightly larger capacity and a spin dry feature, while the Mihiki boasts a powerful motor. Your choice will depend on your specific needs and priorities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.